In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to not allow screenshots on your Instagram. All you have to need, go to your Instagram and go to your Instagram inbox and go to the chat or conversation where you want to send a photo or a video and you want the recipient won't be able to take a screenshots of your image or your video. All you have to need, tap on the camera and tap on gallery if you want to send a photo or video from your gallery. Now just select the photo and here you have to select view once. So make sure to select view once for the photo or for the video. Tap on send and that's how you have to send the photo or video in view once feature. Once the photo or video sent with view once, the account will not be able to take a screenshots of the private image or video. Thanks for watching.